I just want patients to trust us. We always have their best interests in mind, and we want the same things that they want. We want them to be able to safely get out of the hospital and resume their normal life, and we want to help them do that as fast and as safe as possible.
I think it's important to note that people come here to this hospital from all over the world. They expect like a certain level of care, but it's just a standard of care here. It doesn't matter where you come from. We're always going to take care of you in the same way.
The impact that we have on patient care, pretty much with that person in the center that collaborates with everyone to make sure the patient is well taken care of. I look at it that as a nurse practitioner, as a responding clinician, you are there to collaborate with the team to come up with the plan for the patient. Also, it's important to have that clarity on your role and explain to the patient what you do and to create that connection to make sure they feel comfortable and feel that trust that you provide high quality care.
We are the one running the show during the day. We're available at a single page, so if they need us, we respond as quickly as possible. We check in with them several times a day. We monitor them from a medicine standpoint, make sure they're stable, and we help promote a safe discharge.
A lot of what we do is unbeknownst to the patient and kind of behind the scenes, because it's a lot of medical management and comorbid problems.
And because sometimes patients have issues, we're the first one to know, and we're the first one at the bedside to assess, diagnose, and also reach out to different teams. And also, once we get those teams involved, we're the ones that they page to actually kind of communicate the plan, and in that way we communicate that to the patient. And also they feel that sense of like, I'm part of this. I'm not just the person that everyone's just writing orders on, but also my input is valuable.
Then they understand they can call me at any time while I'm here, or have the nurse get a hold of me, and I can come to the bedside at any time, and we can continue the conversation that they want to have with any other team member, team, or person. And I feel like that also makes them feel a lot more comfortable, and they trust you that you're going to be their voice while you're in the hospital.